Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoB. Today we're diving into the super cool world of quantum computing with the amazing Microsoft's latest innovation, the Maorana One chip. Imagine your computer is like a superhero. Regular computers use bits, which are like superheroes that can only be on or off. But quantum computers use qubits, which are like superheroes with superpowers. They can be on to off, or both at the same time. How awesome is that? So what is Maorana 1? The Maorana 1 chip is the coolest quantum processor ever. Maorana 1 is unlocking possibilities once thought impossible, shaping the future of quantum computing today. It's the first chip to use super stable qubits called topological qubits. Even though the Maorana 1 chip is small enough to fit in your hand, it can handle up to 1,000,000 qubits. That's like having 1,000,000 superheroes working together on one tiny chip. Can you imagine 1,000,000 superheroes on one tiny chip? What they do? The secret behind Maorana 1 is the Maorana particles. These particles are super special because they help keep the qubit stable and strong, even when things get tricky. Think of them as the ultimate sidekicks for our superhero qubits. So what can this amazing chip do? It can help doctors find cures for diseases, make factories run super smoothly, and even help save our planet by solving big environmental problems. The Maorana 1 chip is like a superhero team for the real world. How will quantum technology shape our future? The Maorana 1 chip is just the beginning. With its superpowers, we are going to see incredible changes in how we live, work, and play. The future is going to be amazing with quantum technology leading the way. What do you think the future will look like with quantum technology? Comment below. Thanks for watching. If you had fun learning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. See you in the next one.